We're on our way out for
Like once.
I only eat KFC in Jamaica.
Like what fast you do when you want.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Guys, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. We are on our way out. Yeah, you're saying good morning?
Good morning.
So, we are on our way out for an adventure. Oh gosh. Guys, I don't know what is going on. We can't seem to find so much things that we need to get things done for the house. I don't know what is going on, if it's something to do with shipment, but right now in Jamaica they are short of so many things just to get even tin set to finish tile up the floor. We've been having issues with getting tin set. Porcelain tin set, the gray one. Some have the white, some don't. It's just been crazy. Oh,
the
look,
white one is more expensive.
And the white one's more expensive, and that's for the wall. So that's supposed to do the bathroom.
Almost $1,000 more expensive than
And that's to do mostly the bathroom wall, but some people do use it on the floor. Yeah, they do use the white one on the floor, babe.
Yeah, if you can afford it. Because it's more expensive.
But is it better though?
It's better, it's stronger, because that's why some people use it on the wall. Because it's stronger.
Oh.
That's why I didn't use it on the wall.
Oh, okay. Well, I didn't know that. But yeah. So I don't know. We've been calling. Dada coming, Papa. Oh, the sun, babe. The sun is in his face.
Vampire.
The sun in his face.
Vampire, get sunburn.
Okay, let me.
Okay now?
I'll put on this tablet. Hi, Pop. You say hi? There you go. You get to look outside. So, yeah. So we're going for the. Oh, you want banana? You want banana?
No.
So yeah,
Have
we're
to
just
this
going
morning.
for a little tour.
Nana?
Yeah, so we're just going for a little drive to go out. I don't want to be in the house. As much as we work on the house, I'd rather be outside. Just even touring, taking a little bit of a drive. Yeah. When I'm overseas, I lock up in the house like a figurine.
Yeah, I'm good.
Eh?
You're on good.
Not really, because it's cold. It's cold. And then there's not that much to do anyways. Oh, gosh. At least down here, there's so much more that you can do that doesn't even cost an arm and a leg. You know, just sightseeing, it's free. Just going for a nice little drive, enjoying nature, it's free.
Not free.
Well,
Yes.
where you buy gas, but from you have gas in your car and stuff, it's still okay. It's not that bad. And gas is not as expensive as it is overseas.
So you think 10,000 and more to fill up the tank?
Okay, the 10,000 to fill up the tank, and it costs more than that to fill up the tank overseas.
Like one something.
Sometime all 140, based on the price of the gas. Oh, that breeze just feel nice. Nice little breeze. Yeah, love the country area. Just gives a different vibes. Yeah. in the clip. You guys would have saw Pops with the little chicken. Oh gosh. Don't worry guys, the little baby chicken's still alive. He wanted to bring him home. Oh goodness. But you see, because he's not used to things so small, he don't know how to take time and be gentle. But boy, I want good size of road take off now. Look how far there's something there. And I'm gonna make you do like the other one. So let me give you guys a bit of scenery.
Starkey.
Never gotta sweat that. You can bet that, never gotta sweat that. You can bet that, never gotta sweat
If you
that.
be the trash, I'll be the rapper. Dance be the match. Don't be a freak. Boom. Baby, baby, you be the me. I'm the boy, baby, you be the me. Let's get a cigarette. And I'm a shot, still a do it. If you're the chance, girl, chance to have. I'm the white chance. You don't see it. Boy, you can be the chance. I can be it. Yeah, when the stars come falling. You don't want the stars don't shine. Got faith in you and I. Put your pretty little face on you. You don't want to pass to the wire, baby. You don't want to do for a dime. We can do it, baby, so we can. Squeeze a little sugar.
Never gotta sweat that. Never gotta sweat that. Never gotta sweat that. Never gotta sweat that.
Guys, we stopped at KFC. This is their KFC menu. I only eat KFC in Jamaica, as the KFC overseas hell to the now.
KFC in Asaba the worst. Don't have nothing there.
Oh my.
To get the menu, then have nothing there. Not one thing.
Yeah.
They have the on the board, but then have inside. So I don't know what kind of advertisement, man. No crispers, no popcorn chicken, no famous bowl, none at all.
They're still behind. They're behind.
Only ruined the day.
So Mr. Williams is not happy. Because KFC don't have, you see, and this is what happens when you're a picky eater. They don't have no zinger. They we didn't even ask if they have zinger. You haven't even tried their sandwich. You should have tried the zinger. You should have tried the sandwich because you eat chicken breast sandwich. So why you didn't try it? So they don't have his. He usually eats famous bowl when he comes to KFC. Always famous bowl, or he eats the crispers. Popeye chicken, the popcorn chicken, him just start something there because it's all breast, so that's generally what he'll eat. But you see what happens when you're a picky eater, when you go certain places now and they don't have breasts and they don't have the things that you're always used to eating, then you don't get it. Unlike me now, they always have what I want.
Chicken.
So I don't complain at all. Babe, move up. Oh gosh. So now he's gonna have to go look somewhere else to go get something else to eat. But let me tell you, KFC it just hits differently. It reminds me of the movie, what's the movie called? They clone Tyrone, where they're putting it in the chicken. Something just hit different with the KFC chicken down here. I don't know, but I guess that's why Jamaica is in the Guinness Book of Records so much time for that. Yeah, I remember as a kid I always used to go through the Guinness Book of Records and stuff, and I always see Jamaica's in it for that. They're also in it for the most churches in a country about every, what's it, square mile or whatever it is. Yeah, so crazy. But Pops is here watching a movie, and I'm waiting to get my food. Mr. Williams is disappointed. Look at his face. Hello. Is such a face good? No. Huh?
So they go like your belly full.
When it matters if it's good like your belly full.
Yeah, let me go in now.
It's a good like yeah, you get where you gonna get where you are.
No, come on.
Oh my.
I'm gonna pay for it. Make it some drive off. Oh, then I'll leave to pay them first.
What do you think? What do you think answering there? But what place you can go and they do something there?
I don't know.
I don't know if any place you can go and do it that way. Where you can something there first, and then both you drive off. You hear your intention? Huh?
I mean, things are good.
No, that's not good intentions at all. That is not good intentions at all.
Yeah, you have a zinger. You get a zinger. Spicy. Combo.
Yeah, can you always get the zinger come with cheese?
No want to be that way. After you, me not give. You know right.
Yeah.
You may what?
And I've never tried the zinger. Eh?
Still not give.
Oh God. Are you someone so Sir Williams? Bang bang, he's shot.
Bang bang!
That voice so loud.
You just look for me. The money done.
Think of the subject.
Wait, I'm put my money first. Money come first, you know. You feel the cup them down here? You find the cup. Feel the cup. You feel the cup them, my friend? That one be one. That's it. Not more. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of the day. Lord Jesus.
For real. You know, say people are gonna make you stop coming to Jamaica. Cause every time you come down here, but every time you come down here, be a problem. You know that? Be a problem.
The only place we can go get famous bowl are the one out
Not the original one.
yeah, the one out of Buttermilk, so. That's the only place. Jesus,
Alright.
yo, if me go through, you know, me give him some chicken, you know? If me go through, me give him some chicken.
Yeah, go yes, sir.
Yeah, man, guess how you get some man again. Too late.
Your side?
Too late.
I hear side from side.
Yeah.
You know, say money for talking. Eh? I said you used to get talking in the school.
Boy, it's nice lady.
It's afternoon.
Afternoon.
Yes.
Can I beg you some gas? I'm selling. Oh, alright. Can you sell me 90 fully up, please? Full up 90? Yeah. I will pull up again. I will pull again.
Bang bang, he shot me down. Bang bang,
Do the touch
my baby shot me down.
Hello, make sure you don't pass 5,000, you know. I mean, I don't want it.
You ain't go do it. Take your gas on me.
They know most of this. I can't deal with it now. I'm nice to play to me. Hello, we should cheese just make him just in case me and care back, you know.
Yeah, let's try it. Oh, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys my food.
Just keep woman.
And feet love the smell like it, you know. Yeah, feet love the smell of gas.
Okay.
Hello. Don't call me that for that.
Hello. Hot. Hot.
Lord, look at that. Okay, now me feel war with them. What me like there? See you tapping eyes. Tapping eyes.
See that? You want war now, eh? Only fried English.
Well, I bought only fries your burger. Yeah.
On the top of our square up.
What's that?
Almost 600.
Oh, 600 yen.
6,000.
He was about to say that sound good.
Alright, put that 6,000.
Oh gosh.
Right now, I'll give you 600 and drive out.
You're disgusting.
I'm not going to use I'm going to 600. I'll use a million money. Oh.
Better find.
Hello, me can't be me took 100,000 in tonight. 6,000. Yeah, nice lady.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. You want this? I don't want this right now. My baby shot me down. Bang bang. Alright. Papa, in your fries?
Okay, hot. Drop it.
Take off your juice. That's okay. I'm gonna get 2 wing and I think thigh. Let's go eat it.
This is a bear patty.
No, I'll get chicken.
In Ireland, over for half an hour.
Where about you?
I'm not stop again.
See belly? A belly.
Let me try again. Let's try.
No, sweeter.
Good night.
Alright. Peas?
No more friends.
It's a peas. Here, Papa. Come here.
You see me if you go to the right, look somewhere there.
See Papa is there.
Right.
Right, that's all.
We can't even come over by.
No minute or so. You don't say we haven't tried Popeyes in Jamaica? We have to go try Popeyes before we go away.
Who they come at?
Yeah, no, down here, they have it in Montego Bay.
You don't see no electrical store.
They have it in Montego
So hot,
Bay.
you thinking?
I can't please you, you know? Can't please you at all. When too much ice tonight, they say too much ice. Exactly. I know you have to hot drinks, the drinks are hot.
Never come hot.
Take your what's up? My bus park that day. My friend bus park. Ooh.
Beautiful girl. She's a bad thing.
I wish when you like juicy or tasties.
Okay.
Which patties do you guys like? You think is better, juicy or tasty?
Juicy.
Let's do a poll.
Juicy.
Juicy or tasty? No, you know what I would want? I would want to try the both of them one time. They give an honest review. And Devon House patty, but me, Devon House patty bag. I had it before. Yeah. Patty bag, man.
Bad are in no good.
No, bad as in good. Yeah. Anchor. Say package coming now. I need to go in town and go pick up my package.
Ah!
My
Shit.
I drop the juice in here.
Come give me a napkin. Can I get a napkin?
No.
That make you worse now.
You ran out.
Me now come back.
Tap the eyes.
Me now come on here. Give me
Where box then?
eh.
I can't find the box with the something. So where box with the... Oh, it's here. It's right here.
See, you don't know that here.
Mm.
Come me they get cold.
Hello, me I try now, sir.
Try harder.
Yeah, me not do nothing. It's disgusting. You know how hard it is now pull out here. You not even say thank you. You just grab it. How we have fish for? You want to wash? What are you looking for? Go? Guys, we're gonna go eat my food. We're gonna go enjoy. Let me show you. Let me give you guys a bite. Take a bite of the wings. Huh? One piece? Yeah, me one easy.
I just feel like it's cold so. Oh, it's big so. We don't want this. You have too much cockroaches tonight. You have to go there something outside.
You're no.
They have pepper on
There's no pepper on there.
mayonnaise a penny.
So and the tomato. That's it.
We don't need mayo.
There. And where's the something with the napkin you just have?
Give me, hold on, give me some ketchup on it. Oh, yeah.
And you see why Romario is becoming such a picky eater? This is why you know if it says one thing. One thing.
One more napkin. I want napkin to go in. One napkin for the tomato in it.
Let's drop the tomato in the bag.
This bag. Now this you must be crazy. You see my fries in it.
You see what I have to put up with, guys? You see this? Yeah?
Come.
Here.
If you could dry out all the mayo, me dry out.
You want to suck it out?
But enough, so make your way. Watch him.
You know, give me in the techie.
Well, I'm gonna come up.
Romario, they make nice fries. Where you want that?
Sure.
Just one?
Yeah, you put the one place.
Roma,
No call Romario, no Romario do it. Are you?
you can't spread it over.
You know spread it over it.
You want more?
Yeah, spread it all over it.
We're not.
The cheese never melt.
You sound like the ungrateful people. You know?
Yeah. Beep.
You want fries, Papa? Here.
Step out of my mail. They put too much mayo on it. And the cheese now melt. Look at this. Thanks. Can I just give me babes? Thank you. You know, she said the cheese now melt.
Come by here.
The burger got cold.
You have it underneath the AC, you know, it's going to cold.
Look how big.
Yeah, but it has not so big overseas.
No.
Yes.
I don't know, because I eat the overseas.
You do, you eat burger.
Chicken sandwich me, but
Yeah,
burger.
so no same thing as chicken sandwich.
No burger this.
Alright, stop complaining. You just keep talking. Yeah, tell that, so you just keep talking.
Yeah? Yeah?
Oh, wow. How's this?
Like chicken and bread.
Oh, look, babe, look, the car for Pops. There.
Let's try it before.
You made me frighten you. That's what about me.
Tell me choke.
Yeah, no. Mm-hmm.
What can I say to you? You know, say man, I fix the road, bro.
Huh?
The man, I on the road.
Exactly. So put some, you know, the car on.